Two times individual world champion Wolfgang Klür of Germany entered this impressive twin-engined Fiber Classics MiG-29 Fulcrum.
Yeah, that's the MiG-29. It has that anniversary color scheme on it, which is brand new, also the original one. It is not a special version of the MiG-29, it's just the final serial production airplane with a serial production landing gear. And the landing gear is fully hydraulic. We got it finally working perfectly. We have the cockpit detail, we have drag chute, we have speed brakes and flaps and everything, all the options. Just a few options which are really not needed for contest flying are just left out to keep it a little bit lighter.
There are special rules for twin-engined models, and his early concern over weight was well founded. The model was right on the limit.
Yeah, that's it, exactly. Yeah.
It proved necessary to start the engine on the runway because taxiing out would leave insufficient fuel for the flight. Strong flights in rounds 1 and 2 for Wolfgang, and technical problems prevented a third round performance.